All right. So Power BI is a powerful um, business intelligence tool that was created by Microsoft. I think we all know Microsoft Corporation now. Yes. So it's one of the software tools that Microsoft created. So Power BI is similar to Looker Studio, the one we just did now, but there are a few differences. You know, Power BI was specifically created for visualization, like what we just did now, like bar charts, pie charts, and all those things. So, but the difference between Power BI and that Looker Studio that we just did is that Power BI, we actually have to download it. Like we have to download and we have to install. So we have to have it on our system. You know, Lucas Studio, we did that online, so we didn't really have it on our system. So it is okay. All right, let me move to the next one. So Power BI is a powerful business analytic tool developed by Microsoft. It allows us to visualize our data and to share insights across our organization. So majorly in the tech world, Power BI is majorly used in organizations. You can use it for your personal use sometimes, but majorly it is used in organizations. So it connects to hundreds of data sources and simplifies data preparation and analysis. So another a very useful attribute that Power BI has is that whether your document is on SQL, whether it is on Excel, whether it is on Access, it allows us to, you know, connect to it easily and bring those documents to the Power BI where we can actually visualize. So it is very, very data connective um, advantage. So it also produces interactive reports and dashboards like what we just did now. Now, um, Power BI. Why use Power BI? Like I said, it is user friendly. You can drag and drop. It has a simple drag and drop interface. Then interactive visuals. Like I said, we can create dashboards in the sense that like as you are selecting, I think I'll show us that. But as you are selecting a particular variable, the whole thing is changing. We understand. Then data connectivity connects to Excel, connects to SQL, SharePoint, and more. Then collaboration. You know, I mentioned earlier that it is majorly used in organizations. So, like, let's assume you are in a production organization where you produce a lot of things. You can easily make those dashboards and then share it to other people in your organizations. So, and it is very free. It is cost effective. So I'm going to walk us through how we can download Power BI. So let's go to our web browsers, our Microsoft Edge or Microsoft Chrome. So are we there? Chrome or any web browser. You can use any web browser. Yes, web browser. No, you can also get it from your store too. Did you use this link? There's a link there. That's why I said we should go to our web browser. But you can also get it from your Microsoft store. If you have any issues, you can just ask. So are we there? You can't see. Okay. Do you have Microsoft store? Just go there and type Power BI desktop. You see it. Or if we can't go to our Microsoft store, we can just go to web browser and type powerbi.com. Are we there? Have we seen it? Okay. You seen it? Okay. So what's the icon we are seeing there? Like what is the yes, what's the icon? Like what is the how can I say it? Is it yellow? Is it green? What color is the okay? So it's yellow. Okay. Sorry, let me so have we all seen it? Oh, no. Please, if we're having any issues, you can just ask any of us. Sorry, Miss Dockers, have you gotten it? Oh, sorry. But for those of us that have gotten it, we can start downloading. Or, I mean, we don't have to download now. I'm just walking us through the process of downloading. So, while we are doing that, we can move on. Okay. But in case we're not able to download it now, I want to download it later. It's a very simple process. Just follow the steps. Yeah. Oh, okay. My voice is okay. It's a simple process. We can just follow the steps. Click on products. I'll send the slides to the group so that we can get it. So you click download free and then you'll be redirected to the Microsoft Store. So the steps are there in case you want to download this later. Now, I will show us how, because I have it on my system already. I'll just show us the interface now. That, that you should.
Just go to the bottom and choose the. You don't need to exit.
Okay.
Eh? Choose the. Which one is this?
My kidney is just it's not that good.
This is
And
the
press.
one you choose this one.
And that's what I do, but it's not sure.
You hungry? Joseph, did you?
No, that one is not.
Where is the? Which one is this?
Oh, it's element. It's not important. It's the code for the
Which one? First. Joseph, this thing has hanged. Okay, it's not. The system or
No, I'm not fine. This is the different.
You can continue. They also watch it on their
okay
phone.
on our phones. Okay, so since we can see it on our phone, is my okay, my Power BI interface should be showing you. You have the slides, yes, but on the slide the interface is not there, so you have to follow. Okay, Okay, thank you, sir. So this is the Power BI interface. When you download the app, this is the first thing you're going to see. So on this interface, it's just like Excel. Like the interface looks like Excel. So here we have blank reports, we have other options like that. Then just this recent, those are the recent files that I have done. Just are the recent documents. So I'm going to click on blank reports now. Can we see this clearly? Oh, sorry about that. But this is the the homepage of the Power BI. So here we can build our visualizations. The right corner, that's where our visualizations are. Then the white space here is called the canvas. So that's where our bar chart or our dashboard is going to be. And then on the upper like side of the homepage, we have get data, we have Excel workbook, we have so many options of things we can do. So now I'm going to click on get data. Get data is on the home page. It's the first icon that is there. So I'm clicking on get data now. And he brought down a, are we following? Sorry. Okay. So the Power BI file might be a bit heavy to download. So I just wanted to chip that in. So when I click that get data, it brought down a drop down box. We can get our data from Excel workbook, we can get it from SQL. Like I said earlier, we can get it from the web, from the internet. So now I want to get my own data from Excel workbook. So I'm going to click on Excel workbook. This thing is not clear, but I already have like a lot of files in Excel. So the one that I want to import into Power BI now is my sales data. So I'm going to click on it. Open. So it's going to take a while. It's loading now. All right. So one thing that Power BI helps us to do is to transform your data, in the sense that as you are importing your data from Microsoft Excel or from the web or from any other place, sometimes some data might not be clean. Like there are some, irregularities there. So Power BI helps us to double check if that is actually the data that we want to import. Do we understand? Okay, so I'm going to click on geodata and in-stock data. So instead of pressing load, because if I press load, it would import it directly into the field that is by the right hand side. But because I know that there are some mistakes that I want to clean, I will not press load. I will click transform data. So are we following? If we're not understanding anything, like you can ask a question, I can answer. So this place now, let me go to it. All right. So do we notice any difference like in the old page and the new and this interface? Oh, it's not. Yes, I'm so sorry about that. I don't know why it's not visible, but I wish I can enlarge something. But sorry. For now, I think it's being recorded now. So they can watch it later. So for now, please bear with me. So okay, this is a new interface because we clicked on transform data. It's going to take us to an interface called Power Query Editor. Did we get that? What did I call it? Power Query Editor. So Power Query Editor is where we can edit our data. We can delete rows, we can add rows, we can use first rows as headers, we can do so many things on the Power Query Editor. So that is where we transform our data. So now I'm going to transform our data. If we can see very well, this data is very, very unclean in the sense that that first row, it is null that is there. Like it's basically empty. So we have to clean that first. So I just highlighted it now, and okay, we can enlarge it. Perfect. Okay, thank you, sir. So I just highlighted that column that we want to remove because there's basically nothing there and it's going to affect our data when we want to visualize it. So I highlighted that, and then there's a remove rows. I don't know how we can, but as we're watching this video, you will locate the remove rows option that is on the home page, and when we locate that, we will see. When we locate that, we'll click on it so that I can remove that row. So we're going to press remove top rows. So it brought down a dialog box for me to select how many rows I want to remove. So how many rows am I going to remove? Sorry. How many rows did I say I want to remove? 1. Thank you very much. 1. So I'm going to click 1 row. That row has been removed. That's one thing about Power BI. It is very, very user friendly. So that row has been removed. But if we look again, this is not clear. Sorry. But if we look again, we still also have to clean something else because the headings, they are placed wrongly. They are on the second row instead of being on the top row. You know that when we have titles, they are usually on the top rows, right? Right. So we want to move that up. So instead of, normally on Excel, you have to copy and cut and then do all those things. But on Power BI, we can just do that directly. So we're going to highlight that row that we want to move up. So I've already highlighted it. I'm going to locate, there's an option there that says use first row as headers. So that will just do it directly instead of copying and cutting and pasting and all those things. So I'll highlight that and then I'll press use first row as headers. Perfect. So now we have our highlighted columns. We have the item number, we have the category, we have product name, week ID, week number ID. It is perfect now. But if we check the whole data fully and we move to the last columns, right? So column 9 and column 10, if we can see clearly, it's not bright, but everything on that column is null. Column 9, null. Column 10, null. And we all know that null is not useful. Like it's just there, it's just occupying space. So we're going to delete column 9 and column 10 because we don't need it. There's nothing there. So I'll highlight column 9 and sorry. I just highlighted column 9 and column 10. So I'm going to delete those columns. Again, we can do that directly by locating the remove columns. It's also on the home page. There's a remove column option there. So we're going to click on that. Remove columns. and we have cleaned our data. We just cleaned our data. When we are dealing with data analysis, like it's very, very important to clean data, or else we're going to have irregularities. So I just cleaned the data. So our data is good as new. It's very good now. So when we are done, we are going to click close and apply. It's on the left hand side of the Power Query editor. So close and apply. Mm. It's taking time to move. No, it's not starting on over again. But yes, we went to the Power Query editor to transform our data. So here is where we're going to visualize it. I just moved it to this place. Yes. So this is where we are actually working. This is where the work is. All right. So what's it called? At the right hand side of this Power Query, oh sorry, this is not the Power Query editor again. This is now the Power interface. This is the home page. So on the right hand side, I won't ask what can we see because we can't see anything. On the right hand, yes, this side. The Excel the Excel documents that are imported is now there and it is cleaned already. So if we click on it, it's going to show us all our columns. Can we see it? Can we see from our phones? Can we see from our phones? Can you see from your phone? Sorry. What's your name? Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Can you see from your phone? No. Like, did you join through your phone? Okay. Okay. So if we can't see it from this place, we should probably join from our phones. Maybe we'll see it better. But these are the tables that we just cleaned. So normally, if we are not cleaning that column 10 and column 9, it's going to appear here. And it's basically going to be not useful because there was nothing there. But because we cleaned it, it is not appearing on this place. So this, for now, these are the useful columns that we have. Do we understand? Jesus. Do we understand? I'm so sorry. Like, if we're able to download, what do you say? All right. Yes. You can just. Okay, you've downloaded it. Wow. Okay. Okay. So yes, yes, you highlight the column. You highlight. There are two columns that are not useful. Just press the top. Okay. Okay, okay, that's true. I'm so sorry. We don't have the data that I'm working with. Yes. But do you have your own data? Yes, I'm going to. All right, so I'll just quickly run through visualization. So we can, for those of us that have downloaded it, Mr. Sorry, yes, Mr. Josiah. So when you're done with that Power Query Editor, you're going to click close and apply, so it can take you back to this place. Because I want to move to the visualization now. All right, so quickly, I'll just show us how to visualize. On the visualization pane, we have the, I'm going to highlight it, sorry. We have so many. They're like so many. You can even import from a website. You can import from um, the internet itself. There are so many. That's why Power BI is a very good tool for visualization. So here we have stacked bar chart, we have area chart, we even have map. We have so many visualization tools. So for now, we're going to deal with bar charts now. We're going to click on the in stock data and then the sales data. Okay, we don't have it. But for now, you can click on any two variables. So you can create your bar chart. I think I'll send um this Excel sheet I'm working with so we can follow. But here I've already created. Eh? No, I've already added a bar chart. All right, so this is the bar chart I've created. I just created it now. So this is a bar chart that's showing the sum of sales by category. Here, the highest objects that made a lot of sales in this particular organization was premium computers. So it's very, very high. Then low cost computers, then the rest, they follow. So here we can also create something called a, what else? Let me see another visualization we can do. Okay, one, all right.
I feel to close and apply to employ this.
Perfect. So here, this is the workbook you're working with.
Yeah.
So click that arrow.
Yes.
Yes. So those are all your tables.
I should click everything.
No, no, don't click. If you want to, if you want to visualize, let's say you can click on age and gender. No, click this. The first.
The first one. This one, right?
Yes. Okay. Let's click another one. Let's say salary. Remove age. So. Is there only one? Maybe there's only one gender on your.
Okay, like.
So if you want to
these are
visualize,
things
yes. So there are a lot of visualization tools there you can select. So for now, because of time, So because of time, this is what we're going to do for now. So we can also quickly, in order to make it interactive, we can quickly introduce our slides. No, sorry. It's hanging now. All right. It's hanging from here, from here. Child. Sir? Yes. Let me do quickly. Okay, child. So for now, this is where we're going to stop because of the light and everything. So
Thank you very much. I think the idea is just to introduce you to those applications, the Power BI and then the Google Studio. As we said, the Power BI, you need to download and install. The local studio, you download? No, you only need to have internet access, and then preferably Google Chrome. So you just go use your account credentials to be able to access. That's the difference. So we are just starting. Subsequent workshop will then taking you deeper into the applications. So you will see how to create your visual using other charts, including map, geomap, and all of it. And then you will also be able to see how you can customize your visuals in terms of color, even if you want to put your company logo, you can be able to create your own, customize it to suit your own purpose, your company, choose your own color, choose your own design. So those are things you will still learn in subsequent distance. So as it is, maybe our workshop will no longer be physical. So we might have to make it virtual. So that it will for those who are it's very costly to come here only to have very few people in attendance, and also uh, for those who are not able to join, it will be easy for us to record the meeting and also share the video. So that can also help to increase the frequency of our meeting. She might not be here. I can also be able to bring other people to facilitate the virtual workshop with you, so that will save me a lot of time. So this is where we are stopping today, and thank you all for being here. Hope to see you subsequent meetings. Any question? Any concern? You can now hold on. Any question? I'm going to share the link with you, and then you can watch the video over and over again. I'll put it also on my YouTube in case you need uh, to watch it at your own free time. Uh, Konyisola, so you can give the refreshment, provided by Mr. Olayola.